Hello, students, friends, followers, and my dear colleagues. People keep asking me this question. One of the student mailed me this big mail, and the question was: finally, my parents keep comparing me with my friends and my engineering friends and my colleagues. So, how do I deal with that? Okay, and this question keeps coming to me regularly. So I thought I will answer that straight. Of course, there were so many other points also, but in general, the final gist of the question was: why do people compare? And comparison is so bad. This has been brainwashed into this generation kids that comparison is bad. Don't compare, don't compare, don't compare, and all. So I feel that is so nonsense. I think everyone at every moment of time you should compare yourself, and you should have that comparison throughout your life, and also you should have competition throughout your life. People say no, you should not compete, you should compete with yourself, don't compete with anyone, don't compare with anyone, don't compete with anyone. These two terms are very misguided, or they are most misused words. So I say compare, compete. You should have comparison always. If your parents say that your engineering friend is doing good, you are nothing. Or if your boss says, see, that colleague of you is working better and you are not working, and don't say don't compare, sir. If your mother is comparing you with your elder sister or elder brother or younger sister, don't say stop comparing. You say, oh ho, is that the point? So you are comparing me. And in comparison, if I am standing low, I want to improve myself. I want to make sure that one fine day, you will compare me with them and show them me as an example, and I will win in this comparison. This should be the mindset. But people changed so much, students changed so much, that the moment someone starts comparing, they take them as a bad people. They just put that that mindset that they are always comparing, they are always spoiling, they are always talking negative, they are always pressurizing you and all. So this is wrong. You should never ever feel that. If there is no comparison between anything, okay, you don't know whether, if suppose you're going to buy a new car, okay, if you don't have comparison, then that's so bad. Suppose you went to a doctor, and you don't have any comparison. That doctor is better, this doctor is not better, doctor got first rank, this doctor did not get any rank, that doctor has good handwork, this doctor does not have a good handwork. You always compare. For your benefit, you compare everything in this universe, including the smartphone, or including that that screen guard of your phone, whatever you put, you compare. But you don't want to get compared with anyone. That's so silly. If there is comparison, there is quality. If there is no comparison, you will never see quality in life. And it applies to you also. If you start comparing with better people, you will develop quality in you. If you don't compare yourself with anything, you will never develop quality in you. So always be open for comparisons. Suppose your parents compare, suppose your parents look you down, suppose your friends look you down, suppose your colleagues look you down, suppose they compare and talk nonsense. That's the time, this is all your history. This will all be in your book when you become something great. So always make sure that you listen to people's comparisons, you listen to people who feel they are competing with you, you talk to them, you spend time with them. If you have competition, you will be really working towards winning, and if you really work hard, you will win. And once you win in a competition, that kick is something much more higher than your degrees, much more better than your whatever sensual pleasures you get. Best thing is if people say, oh, you are just a dentist, and when you earn fastest, and when you start earning better, and when they say, oh, you can only do this much, and you do something better and bigger, and when that comparison kicks in, and when you win, that's the best part of your life. You don't know how happy it will be. You don't know how the energy you get once you win a competition. So you go into competition, you go into comparisons, you ask people to compare you, so that you take that as an inspiration and go ahead and do something in life. So do you need comparison? Do you feel bad about comparison? No, I feel good about comparison. Someone was comparing, your YouTube channel is like this, someone else YouTube channel is like this. Then I said, okay, even I will try doing it best. I will succeed or not succeed is different, but I am constantly trying. Even you can do that. You have to take comparisons positively and take it to a next level. You should keep trying to move ahead within your limits. You need not be taking that as a pressure. You have to take that as a real inspiration for you to move forward, rather than just taking it to your head. Oh, they are comparing. Oh, my fellow friends are talking like this. My colleagues are talking like this. Oh, did I choose a right path? Is this the right journey? No one in this world knows whether their life is in right path or not. No one, including the greatest politicians, including PM, CM, everyone don't know what will happen next 5 years. So no one is in right path, right? So stop be thinking that because you are in that position and people are comparing you, you are losing the game. No. Start thinking positive, take comparison, listen to them, put it in your brain and take that as an inspiration. Go ahead and do something in life, rather than take that and worry about it. Why did I take this path? Why did I choose this path and all? If you are in doubt, people will talk nonsense. If you are confident about yourself, if you are focused, if you know your target, let them compare, and comparison will give you inspiration. Oh, now you are talking to me like this. After 4-5 years, you will talk to me in some other tone. So that should be your goal. What I did was, when I joined BDS, when I finished BDS, I was really reluctant. I really don't know where I was heading towards. But then someone told me like this, that it is really tough to get MDS. Then I made my mind. Then someone said, that fellow will get BDS, you will not, MDS, you will not get MDS. It is really tough. Then that comparison made me work hard. 1.5 months, world did not see me. I was in my room studying, and 1.5 months I got state 14th rank. So point is, all you have to do is work hard, take comparisons as positive, and people should compare you. Suppose you win, now they start comparing you with others. Okay, so comparison is there in everything, and competition, you should take it as positives, and you should start comparing yourself with someone bigger and go ahead. You can also at the same time use comparison and competition in another sense, positive way. Like suppose suppose you are comparing yourself with someone who is very great and you are unable to reach them, you are feeling jealous or you are feeling bad. You compare with an person who is lower than you. If you start comparing yourself with someone who is trying for MBBS, BDS, and they are not getting MBBS, BDS, or they are not into engineering, or they are not into business, and they are still struggling, you compare yourself with them. You have so much of so many benefits, you have so much luck, you have so much of that strength and focus to get into these cream courses. So you should use comparison like that. When you are in dull, depressed mode, you compare yourself with people who don't have even that. then you will get it as an energy. When you compare yourself people who have more, you should take it as, yes, I am going to reach there one day. So use comparison productively, use comparison for your strength, and start dealing your life differently. It is always the perspective. How you see things will change dramatically. If you see comparison as bad, you will always feel frustrated. And I suggest all the elders, parents, those who are motivating speakers, I tell you, tell people to compare. Please don't say no comparison. If you compare, child will become bad. No, if you don't compare, child will become sensitive. Even for smallest, slightest thing, students today are committing suicide just because we stopped comparison. We gave everyone consolation prizes. We gave everyone free gifts. We gave everyone freebies, and who get first, they get prize. Who get 10th also will get prize, because no one should feel bad. Then the quality will shatter overnight, and we will produce fools in packs. So stop talking. All the motivating speakers, please take my word in a positive way and start telling people to compare themselves and become better, rather than compare and become dead. Compare and become better. Don't say you should not compare children, you should not compare. Tell them I'm comparing so that you become better. Tell them that, make that point clear. And then I hope one fine day when we compare, we bring gems into life, and we get quality people into reality, rather than having fools all around. Thank you so much. Hope you got my point. In case you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section, or if you have anything to talk, please mail me drhrshtenity@gmail.com, and I'll definitely try to answer your queries. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.